To today's video on investment. So let's get started. The first update is coming from the Sandbox. So the Sandbox Metaverse Alpha launches November 29 after 4 years in development. So Sandbox is a token. The token ID is SAND, as you can see here, SAND. And what's happening here is that one of the big developments happening here, that they are launching the metaverse on 29th of November, and that's why the price of the Sandbox is also rising up. So if you are interested in metaverse, I think there is a good opportunity to invest your money in this token called as Sand. So the next update is again related to the cryptocurrency. One of the cryptocurrency has soared over 213,000% in last 24 hours. So whenever you see news something like this, most likely this is going to be a scam. So let us see which coin has soared that much. And as you can see, Ethereum Meta is the coin that has soared by that much percentage. And honestly, I feel this is a scam. So the coin name is Ethereum Meta. It doesn't mean that it has something to do with Ethereum. So you can see that Ethereum Meta is there. But this is a completely different coin. It is not nothing to do with ETH, the coin ETH. So my request to all of you is that do not invest in that coin. You will lose all of your money. And then there is a Coco Swap as well, which has surged from 0.010005 to 7.22 in just 24 hours. So most of these coins are like a scam. So I will honestly tell you that you avoid all these coins and invest in some of the most stable coins and quality coins basically. Let's move on to the next update. Next update is related to the Spacex. So we have got one tweet here, and you can see in this image they have shown different rockets that are used in the world, and one of the biggest rocket so far in the world is Starship, and that has been developed by Spacex. As you can see, this is the biggest rocket, and that rocket has been developed or designed by Spacex. That is the company headed by the Elon Musk. So currently Spacex is not listed, but most of the people are like eagerly waiting for Spacex to list on the Nasdaq. But currently this is a private company. You will not be able to buy the shares directly into this company using this like on the Nasdaq or NYSE. But it's a good graphical picture, so I liked it, and that's why I'm sharing with all of you. So one of the shuttle you can see here, this is the STS. The NASA uses this, has been using this shuttle quite a long time, and there are a lot of other rockets from other countries as well. But one of the largest and biggest rocket that has been created in the history of the mankind is the Starship, and Elon Musk is planning to use this rocket to launch humans into Mars in upcoming years. Next tweet is coming from India, and that is related to the Nike and Tata Steel. So this tweet is actually compares the Nike and Tata Steel valuation. So you can see the Nike net profit for the Q2 this year is 1.2 crore. And if you compare with the Tata Steel's Q2 net profit is 13,600 crore. But if you look at the market cap of the Nike is around 1 lakh crore, and at the same time market cap of the Tata Steel is just 1.5 lakh crore. So you can see how richly this Nike has been valued. I think it is obviously overvalued. So if you have invested money in the Nike, I will request that you sell all your positions right now, otherwise you will make heavy losses. The next update is about the Ava Labs, and what is happening here is that Ava Labs and Deloitte have collaborated to streamline the natural disaster reimbursements. So let us go into this article and see what they are saying here. The professional services firm Deloitte announced Tuesday a partnership with Ava Labs to create a blockchain-based disaster recovery platform. The new platform, called Close As You Go, aims to streamline disaster reimbursement applications to the Federal Emergency Management Agency, with the goal of saving these agencies millions of dollars typically lost to the non-compliance with federal procurement requirements. So as you can see, blockchain uses are rapidly increasing, and one of the reputed companies like Deloitte is collaborating with Ava Labs, which is like a cryptocurrency firm, and they have also got the token in which you can invest if you are interested. The next update is about the dLocal, the payments company, and it is about the earnings about that company. You can see tremendous growth. This company has shown 217% TPV, $1.8 billion is the revenue it looks like, and then there is a the revenue is $69 million. There is jump of 123%. So it looks like there is a huge growth potential in this company. This is a payments company, just like Square or you can say Stripe. And I think there is huge potential, and if you invest money in this company, most likely you will be rewarded handsomely. The next update is about this electric vehicle manufacturing companies. So there are three major companies in the United States right now, that is Tesla, Rivian and Lucid. And if you look at the valuations, the Rivian and the Lucid, they are just starting. They haven't like manufactured a lot of cars, just zero cars in fact, or one or two or three, something like this, and still the valuations are running into the $100 billion, so which is like ridiculous. So I honestly, in my opinion, I think these companies do not deserve that much valuations. If you are interested in electrical vehicle in or the stocks, I will recommend that you invest in the Tesla, because Tesla has very strong history and the record. They have developed very beautiful cars, and obviously they are also having a good footprint all over the world. A lot of people are crazy about those cars, and they are also buying the cars. Recently, Tesla has also got the deal with the Hertz. Hertz is gonna buy the cars in lakhs from the Tesla. So Tesla is the stock to play this electrical car theme. I will not recommend you to invest in Rivian or the Lucid, at least at this point of time, because I don't see any clear roadmap for these companies. And in the future, obviously Tesla will have big headwinds, and Tesla will emerge as the leader, in my opinion. So next update is about the US stocks. So there is a Nvidia, AMD, then Unity, Roblox, Matterport, then there is a Snapchat, Facebook, MSFT. All these are quality names, and I hold most of these stocks. And I will also recommend you guys to invest in these stocks at this point of time, because in future, in next decade or even 20 years, next 20 years, these companies have huge potentials in them. Next update is coming from the India, that is related to the L&T Technology Services. This company has given massive returns in last 1 year, around 500%, more than 500% basically. And I see huge potential in this company in the next 5 years or 10 years as well. So if you are interested in the IT stock specifically from Indian stock market, then this is one of the quality companies. I'll recommend it. But do not invest right now. If you want to invest in this company, just wait for some correction, because this stock has already risen up so much in the last 1 year. The next update is coming from the India, and what is happening there is that Indian government is planning to introduce one bill in the parliament, and what they are thinking is that they will treat the crypto as an asset. So then initially there were reports that crypto will be banned, completely banned in India, but that is not happening. Crypto will be allowed as an asset, but not as a currency. So that is what is happening. Very important development from India. The next update is again from India related to the IT stocks. Some of the quality names we are getting to see here. So you can see the stocks KPIT, LTTS. So I just talked about that, Larsen and Turbo Technology Services. Then there is a Birla Soft. Then there is a Tanla Platform. Then Larsen and Turbo Infotech. Again another company from the Larsen and Turbo. Then there is a Tata ELXI. So this is from the Tata Group, very prestigious group in India, and eClerk Services. So all these are very quality names from the Indian stock market. If you are interested, then I will definitely recommend these stocks for you. The next one is about the MongoDB, MDB. The symbol is MDB, ticker is MDB. This stock is listed on the Nasdaq, and this stock is actually related to the big data, online big data, or the cloud database. So MongoDB is basically it's a kind of a database, and it is not the traditional RDBMS. It is kind of a big data. So I personally use this services of this company, and you can see how much returns this company has given. 1766% in last 5 years. That is massive returns, I will say. And in future also this company will keep rewarding the investor. So definitely this is one of the stock that I would like to invest. Next update is coming from the crypto.com. So crypto.com is a leading firm from in the cryptocurrency space, and what they have done is they have bought this this arena, Staples Center in Los Angeles will be renamed as crypto.com arena. So they have purchased this rights for $600 million. So as you can see, the cryptocurrencies will be going mainstream in couple of years, most probably, not later than that. The next update is coming from India. There is one company called as Avenue Supermart. It is also called as a D-Mart, which is a chain of the grocery stores in India. And you can see the returns given by this company are massive. So you can see here the IPO price was 300, and current price is approximately 5,000. So massive returns. This company has given 8 times since the company was listed. The company was listed around 2017-18, and I see the huge potential in this company as well going forward. So the next update is coming related to the metaverse tokens in the cryptocurrency world. So these are some of the trending tokens from the metaverse world. So there is a Radio Kaka NFT, then there is a Decentraland, Crypto Cars game, Star Atlas, Sandbox game, X Infinity, Engine. So very important names there from the crypto world. Next one is from the cryptocurrency, that is okay, I will come in 1 minute. The next update is related to the stock listed on the Nasdaq, and that is a D-Dog, that is Datadog. So another quality stock from the US stock market. Next update is coming from the NVDA. So as you can see, this target price for this particular stock has updated from $225 to $400 by the Credit Suisse. So that is very nice development happening there. I've already invested in this stock, and I see huge potential in this company as well. The next update is about the Shopify. As you can see, when it was listed in 2015, the valuations were $1.2 billion, but currently the valuations are $200 billion. So massive returns from this company as well. And hopefully we will see the same kind of returns, not that much, but at least 20-25% compounded annual returns will be given by this company. The next company, Meli, this company is Mercado Libre, that is from the South America, and this is like the Amazon of the South America. So huge potential, huge company. This is from the South America in the e-commerce space. The next update is very interesting, related to the Google, Facebook, Amazon, and SpaceX. There is one tweet which talks about the how those websites were looking when they were initially launched, like first time launched. So this is how Google was looking when it was initially launched. Then there is a Facebook. This is how Facebook looked like when it was launched initially, and this is how the Amazon looked like, and here is the SpaceX. So you can see, like, in those days, this is how the web pages were. You can't even imagine, like, this is how those these big companies were looking, like websites of those companies would be looking. But currently these are massive companies, huge companies in the world. So I think that's it in today's video. I have covered most of the topics. If you are interested in investing in any of these stocks or the cryptos, definitely go ahead, because all the names that I have talked about in this video are quality names. I'll see you in next video soon. Till then, goodbye and have a very nice day.